Hello everyone. So this is Ashika and today I'll be telling you about introduction to HTML. So guys, this is the part 1 and in this video I'll be telling you about the introduction. So let's start. What exactly HTML is? The internet, an emerging technology, has become a vital part of our life. The internet presents information in form of websites. These websites consist millions of pages called web pages. They contain text, graphics, videos, audios and links to other pages called hyperlinks. Have you ever wondered how these web pages are created? The answer is HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is a complete code package that allows the user to create web pages that contains both text and graphics. All the web browsers are designed to understand and interpret this language. So guys, HTML is a language which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So it is a code which allows the user to create web pages, and the web pages can contain both text and graphic. All the web browsers are designed to understand this HTML language and it can easily work with this HTML language. Tools to make HTML documents. First is HTML editor for creating and saving the documents, and second is browser for viewing the documents. First, HTML editors. There are mainly two types of HTML editors. First is WYSIWYG editor and the second is text editor. First, WYSIWYG editor. WYSIWYG stands for What You See is What You Get. This type of web editor allows a developer to see what the end result will look like while the document is being created. So this editor allows us to see what the end result, what we are typing the code, the end result of that code will looks like how. So the name itself suggests like what you see, what you're typing is what you get. Okay. So example is Adobe Dreamweaver, Amaya, Google Web Designer. So let us look inside the Adobe Dreamweaver for better understanding. See guys, this is the code, HTML code, and I am writing this HTML code, and from that Adobe Dreamweaver app only I am able to see this end result itself in the app itself. So I can get a better understanding about my end result and how my end result will look like. And the second is text editor. You can also create HTML documents using normal text editors. Like normal text editors, example like Notepad or WordPad. So HTML can easily created using normal text editors like Notepad or WordPad, which is easily available in any kind of laptops or computers. So let us see inside this notepad. So inside notepad we have this HTML code. This is the HTML code, and in this notepad we could not see the end result. Okay, so this is the main difference in what you see what you get editor and text editor. The main difference is we cannot see the end result in text editor and we can see the end result in what you see what you get editor. Now, let us come to browsers. Web browsers are used to view HTML documents. Once we have created the code, now we also need to view it. So, the viewers from where we can view the HTML documents are first Google Chrome, Apple Safari, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Opera. So these are some common browsers which we commonly use, and these are used for viewing the HTML documents. Thank you guys for been till here, and this is only the introduction. And for today, we'll be learning just about this. And next part, we'll be knowing how to create HTML documents. So for that, please like and share my channel. Thank you.